Lake Powell is the second largest man-made lake in the United States and undeniably the most beautiful, extending 186 miles through the Red Rock Desert from Page, Arizona to Hite, Utah. It started filling in 1963 after the construction of a dam over the Colorado River at the south end of Glen Canyon, and it was not completely full until 1980. Lake Powell and the surrounding countryside were incorporated into Glen Canyon National Recreation Area in 1972, and visitor numbers have gradually increased since then. Lake Powell is a literal watering hole where tourists can enjoy a good time splashing around. Hiking, boating, swimming, and fishing are common activities in this southern Utah hotspot, which is surrounded by breathtaking Red Rock canyons. Every year, over 2 million visitors gather with family and friends to view the United States' second largest man-made reservoir. With over 1.2 million acres, numerous marinas, and a national park nearby, there is no lack of sight to visit. One of the most common sports in the Lake Powell area is boating. If you're on a family boat or a rented one, you're in for a good time. Powerboats and pontoons are suitable for 10-12 passengers while renting a boat. Weekender and houseboat rentals are ideal for days on the lake. For small, beach-bound groups, personal watercraft and jet ski rentals are great. Water temperatures can reach 80 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. Swimming is not permitted at marinas or boat launch areas, although there are some beaches for designated water fun. Bring a picnic and enjoy a day at the beach. What makes the lake so memorable is the contrast between the deep, clear blue waters and the surrounding landscape. Stark red sandstone rocks with little or no vegetation, the innumerable steep remote side canyons, and the spires, ridges, and buttes that once stood high above the Colorado but now form cliffs at the lakeside or are semi-submerged as small islands. Lake Powell has become a major center for many leisure activities, principally fishing, water sports, hiking, and houseboating. Access to Lake Powell and Glen Canyon by road is very limited. Activities are concentrated at the western edge, near Page, where various beaches, resorts, marinas, and campsites are found along the shoreline, with every necessary facility available in town. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.